Westermans here with a 3-axis 5,000 kilo welding positioner. As you can see, two big hydraulic rams. Table diameter on this is 1500. Obviously centering rings and T-slotted bed. Machine has digital display on the speed. Also comes with a pendant control. Variable speed on the table. More details on this, as in speeds, heights and sizes, can be seen on westermans.com. Very useful positioner due to the 3rd axis. Gives you the height, ideal when you want to move the object around to get welding of all positions. Also comes with a foot control, or you can also use the pendant as required. More details available on this and other welding positioners, westermans.com. Thank you for looking.